Okay, how can we use one of these theorems or postulates along with the definition of congruent triangles to prove that angle D is congruent to angle B? Well, we so far don't know anything about what we've got, except that we do have this shared side, which means that we have the congruent statement side, angle, side, and I should have that second mark there, sorry. Side, angle, side congruence. So we have side, angle, side congruence because of that shared side, and then by corresponding parts of congruent triangles, corresponding parts of congruent triangles are congruent, then we know that all congruent parts all corresponding parts will be congruent. So that means that that corresponds with that, and therefore it is congruent. And so that's how we do it. We do it through side, angle, side, and corresponding parts of congruent triangles are congruent.